I'm gonna show you how to make a beautiful lawn with a weed whacker here. You want it by halfway speed. And then you see that? Voila, look how long that is, see? You wanna walk counterclockwise with your weed whacker. Height of the grass, and this is probably 4 inch. Rocks like we do, we have to kind of blow it gently. So I'm gonna show you how to make a beautiful lawn with a weed whacker here. I'm gonna show you how to make the edge looks really, really nice. As you can see here, it needs edge, the lawn needs edge. And I'm gonna show you how to edge all the way down there. And then I'm gonna also give you a little tip, guys. This Greenworks Gen 3 weed whacker. I'm gonna show you guys a couple tricks here, guys. I know several comments in the YouTube how-to video, DIY video. Some of you are saying that you're having issues using the low and go. A little tip, you can use silicone or W40 spray in here a little bit. Give a little spray on both sides. And that should help release it. Another thing, guys, is when you lower it up, only lower it halfway, don't lower it full. If you lower it full all the way, it can have a hard problem using the low and go. So that's a couple things. Another thing, guys, you can do is when you hit it, you gotta make sure the weed whacker speed is at least halfway up. So let's do an example here. Let's measure the string here. You see the string is about here. I'm gonna show you here. A little tip here, guys. So you want it by halfway speed. And you can see how it released it a little bit. So you gotta keep doing that, guys. And then you see that? Voila, look how long that is. See? That's how you use the low and go. That's a little tip. Put a little bit W4 or some silicone spray in there. And then when you do use it, you gotta hit it, make sure the speed is at least halfway up. Because you don't do that, you're gonna have a hard time. Okay, guys? So here I'm gonna show you how to weed whack here, guys. Look, you can see here. Show you how to weed whack trim, make the lawn look really, really nice. Right now you can see, you just flip this over and you wanna go you see how the weed whacker spins counterclockwise. You wanna walk counterclockwise with your weed whacker because when you do, you gain speed. Also at the same time, it's cleaner. It's not gonna split everything out because it's gonna split this way, right? So here you go, here. And then you want to angle a little bit, guys. Walk at a decent speed. You see how clean that is. Look how clean that it looks compared to that. And you can penetrate a little bit deeper. Let me show you what. See, look how nice that looks. See? Okay, now I'm gonna walk right through here, guys. Watch. You get over here, Mikey. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, you want to angle a little bit? Is that how fast I'm going? Running out string again, so I got speed up, tap it. Yeah. Look at that. You walk up here, I'm gonna show you how to use this one up here, guys. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, release. Okay, so here's the same thing with this here. When you trim here, you wanna go the sideway first. Okay, then you go back, guys. You go back and you just flip it, you edge trim it, okay? And again, you want to go counterclockwise with the trimmer because it gets a clean look and you're not going to get all over the bed. Once you're done with that, you take a blower, guys. You take a blower. Grab my blower here. And this is a Gen 3 800 CFM Greenworks blower. So when you're done, guys, you just take a blower and you just blow it. You do all that, you can get your lawn done in like 10 minutes, guys, 10, 15 minutes. Now, as for your bed, let's walk back up here. So we trim early, and this has a adjustable speed, so you just kind of gently. And if you have like lava racks like we do, we have to kind of blow it gently. And of course, you want to weed whack when it's dry. You don't want to do when it's wet. It's a lot harder. But yeah, that's all you do, guys. Real easy. But you see how you get the clean look? Just like that, guys. Okay? So guys, this is what it looks like after you trim it. Look how clean that is. You want to get that little deep, see that? A little, I would say about ½ an inch into it. Nice little trim, and you see how it just lines up. It gives that little edge, it's called edge trim. Makes it look nice and neat. You see that? The height of the grass, and this is probably 4-inch. Grass is about 4-inch, and this is edge trim. But what happened, guys, is when you don't trim it, dirt, grass will eventually overgrow it, and it makes your driveway look smaller too, guys. So when you edge it, makes your driveway looks a lot bigger. Gives it a little bit more open, cleaner feel. I'm gonna walk you up here, guys. You can see our lawn here. And you know, once you get a system in place, it doesn't take long to maintain your lawn. You know, here's this one's a little bit harder because you gotta, like I showed you earlier, you have to weed whack it evenly first, and then you do the edge trim. Okay, and then you take a blow and just blow it. And of course, it helps when you have guys, when you have the right tools, which is, I love my Greenworks blower and trimmer. I had it for about over a year, and it's been really great. Saves me a lot of time and money, and a lot of hassle having to use cord, gas, and all that stuff. So, but other than that, guys, until next time, until next DIY, take care and enjoy your summer.